Not following health guidelines.
Peppa and George are going on holiday. They are
Going to crowd in an airplane.
You can't pack everything.
Who asked you?
Just
Get out of my house.
Okay.
See you never.
Tickets, please.
Here they are.
Now I have coronavirus because you clearly have coronavirus.
Any more?
Yes.
You can take those little bags on the plane with you.
Take your dirty coronavirus-filled tickets away from me before I call the cops.